Unveiling the all-new BRUSTRO Aquarelle brush pen set of 24 vibrant colors. Feast your eyes on the stunning new design, a clean and elegant white barrel housing 24 brilliant colors that are sure to ignite your creativity. The soft synthetic bristles behave like watercolor brushes and are perfect for creating intricate designs, making them an ideal choice for mandalas and other detailed artwork. The non-toxic ink used in these brush pens ensures a safe and enjoyable artistic experience. Watch as the colors effortlessly blend together, giving you the freedom to create a myriad of shades and hues. The high-quality ink also makes these pens versatile. Use them on their own or blend with water for a watercolor effect. Let your imagination run wild as you explore the endless possibilities with the BRUSTRO Aquarelle brush pens.